home security is anything but basic. That's one of the reasons it consistently tops our picks for the best home security systems. The biggest thing that sets Vivint apart is its innovative, proprietary equipment. And that's what we're going to dig into today. In this video, you'll get an overview of Vivint's home security equipment, a look at what it has in common with other home security systems, and we'll spotlight our favorite Vivint tech and equipment. Plus, if you love digging into all the specs and dirty details, we can scratch that itch with our Vivint equipment rundown on Safewise.com. Here we go. Like every security system on the market, Vivint starts with the basics, the control panel. Vivint's Smart Hub controls both your security system and any smart home gizmos you've got. Plus, that Smart Hub can support up to 6 cameras without overloading your home's Wi-Fi bandwidth. Nice, Vivint. Vivint includes 2 door sensors in its basic starter pack. These sensors do exactly what you'd think they do. They let you know when a door has been opened or closed. Vivint includes 1 motion sensor in its basic setup to help monitor activity in your home where spots that the door sensor might not be in place. On top of those essential security gizmos, Vivint also offers these common sensors and accessories. Glass break sensors that let you know if a window is broken or tampered with, water sensors that detect leaks before you wake up to a flooded basement, smoke and carbon monoxide detectors that can alert you through your security system hub or app, smart locks from Kwikset to put an end to misplaced keys forever, and the Vivint Element Smart Thermostat to keep your home in the right temperature all year round, and a slew of security cameras that give you eyes and ears on every part of your home. At this point, you might be wondering what's so special about Vivint's equipment. All of this sounds familiar, right? Well, that's what we're going to talk about next. This is what makes Vivint's basic equipment not so basic. It comes down to 2 big words: innovation and proprietary. Vivint doesn't just use white label equipment like a lot of other home security systems. Vivint has labs staffed with engineers and inventors looking for new, better, and effective ways to solve home security problems. And we're not the only ones that go gaga for Vivint's inventions. The company has years of awards for their cutting-edge tech solutions. Here's just a few. It just so happens that the tech and equipment that the world loves includes our favorite Vivint products too. Our favorites include the Vivint Doorbell Camera Pro, Vivint CarGuard, and the Vivint Smart Home app. The Vivint Doorbell Camera Pro takes the video doorbell from a passive observer of what's happening on your porch and gets proactive with light, sound, and 2-way talk to scare away lurkers, porch pirates, and that annoying little kid from down the street. Its preset sounds and lights instantly go off when someone approaches your home. You'll also get an instant notification on your phone so you can talk to your visitors. These extras are focused on deterring criminals, not just catching them in the act. We love this proactive approach that gives you more actual security, not just surveillance. Sometimes we spend as much time in our cars as we do in our homes, so it makes sense to extend security measures beyond the driveway. CarGuard adds Vivint security protection to your vehicle and provides extras like GPS tracking, reports on speeding, hard braking, and other dangerous driving habits. Data like this is a great feature for any new drivers in your home. You'll also get instant alerts on your phone if anyone disturbs your car, whether it's bumped in the parking lot, towed, or snatched by a car thief. Plus, the Vivint app can translate all those mysterious and troubling dashboard warning lights so you know exactly what's going on and what to tell the mechanic. Personally, I hate shuffling through my owner's manual, so this extra CarGuard diagnostics feature makes me super excited. Best of all, when you add CarGuard to a full Vivint home security system, it integrates with everything, which means when your car gets a disturbance alert, your Video Doorbell Camera Pro or Outdoor Camera Pro will go into action with the lights and sounds to scare away any shady characters. We love a home security app, but we really love a home security app that's simple, easy to use, and available in every security monitoring plan. Vivint knocks it out of the park with its app, and this is one more testament to the advantage of making your own security tech and equipment. The Vivint Smart Home app is better than most home security apps because it's a one-stop shop for all of your home security and smart home gadgets. You don't have to go out of the Vivint app and into another one to lock the doors or turn off the lights or adjust the temperature. Lots of other apps say you can control your whole home, but few actually deliver. Here are our favorite things about the Vivint Smart Home app. It uses AI to learn habits and routines for your home. It's so smart that if it detects unusual heat or cold, it will automatically adjust the thermostat. That helps keeps pets safe and can help prevent pipes from freezing. It integrates with your smart home devices seamlessly, gives you quick access to 30 days worth of video storage, and lets you add and manage your accounts and routines for your home. Plus, it comes with all the Vivint plans, so there's no extra upgrade or moolah required. Bottom line, when it comes to Vivint tech and equipment, you can rely on the latest innovation, easy integration, and proactive security features that truly put safety first. If this equipment overview made you hungry for more Vivint, check out our full review right here on YouTube. Subscribe while you're at it, or you can go to safewise.com. Let us know your favorite Vivint tech in the comments, and until next time, stay safe.